Is Vibe Code the real deal or just another app that overpromises? Today, we're breaking down this AI app builder to see if it's worth your time and money. Code is a mobile app that lets you build apps right from your phone using just plain English. No coding needed. You describe what you want, and the AI creates it for you. Think of it like having a developer in your pocket. You make changes by simply telling it what to adjust, like colors, buttons, or features. The biggest win here is speed. People are actually building working apps in hours instead of weeks. The app works on your phone, which means you can build anywhere. Users say it's great for testing ideas fast. One business owner even built a client portal that saves hours every week. The AI keeps getting better with updates, and they offer support around the clock if you get stuck. But here's where things get tricky. Early users faced serious issues. The app was unstable during testing, working some days and crashing others. Some people hit a wall where they couldn't add more features. The AI sometimes said it was making changes when nothing actually happened. At $20 a month during testing, that's frustrating. You also need to learn about publishing apps, which isn't explained well. Security is another concern since AI built apps can have holes that hackers love. So, is it legit or a scam? It's legit but not perfect. Code works best for simple apps and quick prototypes. If you're not a coder and want to test an idea, it could work. But if you need a serious, secure app for business, you'll likely need a real developer to finish it. Think of it as a starting point, not the complete solution. The app has potential, but manage your expectations. It's evolving, so maybe give it time to mature before jumping in.